Hi students, in the last lecture we discussed about the skin effect and skin depth. In today's lecture we will see about the surface resistance and also the surface impedance. First we discuss about the surface impedance. Surface impedance, it is the ratio of tangential component of electric field intensity at the surface of the conductor to the linear current density. So Zs is equal to tangential component of electric field to the linear current density, that is E tan divided by Js. It is the surface impedance Zs. So here we are considering a flat plate conductor with linear current density Js ampere per meter. So the distribution of current is like this. Here it is showing this is y-axis and this is x-axis, and the current is flowing like this. The value of J is equal to J0 e raised to minus gamma y. This is the J0 point. So the current distribution in y direction is given by J is equal to J0 e raised to minus gamma y. Here J0 is the current density at the surface of the conductor and gamma is the propagation constant. So the linear current density, it is given by Js, and Js is equal to integral 0 to infinity J dy. It is equal to, we are going to substitute the value of J here. So 0 to infinity, integral 0 to infinity, in the place of J we are putting J0 e raised to minus gamma y dy. On integrating this, J0 into minus e raised to minus gamma y divided by gamma and applying the limits 0 to infinity. So we get the value for Js is equal to J0 divided by gamma, but the current density J0 is equal to sigma E tan. So apply that value. So Js becomes, Js is equal to sigma E tan divided by gamma. So the surface impedance Zs is equal to E tan divided by Js, and apply this values, the values of Js here in this equation. So we get the value of Zs is equal to gamma divided by sigma. This is the surface impedance. And the propagation constant for conducting medium is gamma, and that gamma is equal to root of j omega mu into sigma plus j omega epsilon, which is nearly equal to j omega mu sigma. For a good conductor, the value of sigma divided by omega epsilon is far greater than 1. That is, sigma is far greater than omega epsilon. So we can neglect the value of omega epsilon. That is, the value of sigma is greater than omega epsilon. So we can neglect the value of omega epsilon. So we get the equation omega gamma is equal to root of j omega mu sigma. We can eliminate this section. Then Zs is equal to, apply this value of gamma in this equation. So Zs is equal to root of j omega mu sigma divided by sigma square. That is equal to root of j omega mu divided by sigma, and which is equal to eta. So the surface impedance is equal to the characteristics impedance of the conductor when the thickness of the conductor is very much greater than the skin depth, that we get from this equation. Here eta is the characteristics impedance of the conductor. So we know the value of Zs. Zs is the impedance that is equal to Rs plus Jxs, and it is equal to root of j omega mu divided by sigma. We can write this equation, that is Rs plus Jxs is equal to root of omega mu divided by sigma into root of j. It is same as that of this relation, that is root of j omega mu divided by sigma. So we are going to convert, and this equation is in the form of a rectangular system. So we are going to convert this j omega mu divided by sigma into polar coordinate system. So we get this value, that is root j can be written as root of omega mu divided by sigma. It is same as that of the former equation, into the root of j can be written as root 45 degree. This equation is in rectangular form and we are converting that into the polar system like this. So apply these values, that is we know the relation when a equation is in the form of a angle theta, then we can write the equation in a expanded form like this, a into cos theta plus j sin theta. Apply that relation here in this equation. So we can write this equation as here firstly that is we are applying a into cos theta plus j sin theta. So apply the value of a. A is here in the value like root of omega mu divided by sigma, and we are going to apply the value of cos theta. Theta is 45 degree, cos theta is 1 by root 2 plus j into j sin theta, that is a is common here. So we are taking the value of a here, that is root of mu omega divided by sigma into j sin theta. Sin theta is also sin 45, it is also similar to cos 45, so 1 by root 2. So we can write this equation as it is equal to root of omega mu divided by 2 sigma plus j root of omega mu divided by 2 sigma. So equating the real and imaginary parts of the equation, we get Rs, the surface resistance of the equation, is equal to root of omega mu divided by 2 sigma, and the surface reactance is given by Xs and it is equal to root of omega mu divided by 2 sigma. It is similar. Then if the skin depth delta is equal to root of 2 divided by omega mu sigma, then the value of Rs becomes, Rs is equal to omega mu divided by 2 sigma here, then Rs is equal to 1 by sigma delta. That is the surface resistance of a flat conductor at any frequency is equal to the DC resistance of the conductor with the thickness delta. That is about the surface resistance and surface impedance. Thank you.